kind of, injustice happens, we need to really step up as a people and fight, for our rights.
Trayvon Martin, I am! Trayvon Martin, I am! Trayvon Martin, I am! No peace, no justice, no peace. No peace. No, it was murder. It was murder.
We're out here protesting and marching for Trayvon Martin, who was shot last month for no reason, murdered in cold blood. And we're out here raising awareness on the injustices that colored people in America and all around the world suffer every day. And it's not going to stop until we're all one and we care about the same issue. America needs to change. Not just in Florida, not just in New York, but America needs to change everywhere. And that's only going to happen if we all come together.